Which three experiment will take? Very good, smart boy. Very simple paper. What is the value of 3 raised to x? You got?
Sir, I got the value of x as 3 and 3 raised to 6.
Yeah. Mark is not there, means when mommy will come out. Then in front of mommy to slap you. It was so simple paper.
Sir, it was.
It was. Then
justification.
justification. I also done. This is not the correct justification, not getting full mark. Honestly telling people, all of you listen here. What did I tell you? Daily you have to do practice. How many comes? Aditi.
I'm doing 20.
Where? Show. At home now. Mommy is there at home now. Tell mommy to bring it up. Huh? Call for. Call no. Why? Give the number. Give the number. I'll call no. I'll call. Huh? Secret call. So go upstairs and call. Where is it? Huh? Huh?
I do the sum correct. I don't eat out of it.
Where is it? Everyone home. Oh, secret book. Yeah. This I never think. She is also delighted. Oh, nice. You're staying over here, cut across this building only, no? Then one is over here. One is over there. Gurpreet Singh,
Yes, sir.
you do practice anything at home? Why?
Then
Yeah. Sleep. Life will be sleeping. Yeah, you have all. Hello. Here, your exam paper has come already. Marks have come now. School pay. Well, your paper marks are come. Marks. How the mark? Avnish, your exam over? Bharat's case, I will take care. He is quite nice. Pandey has become so talkative only. Quiet, for beginning, he was so quiet. Now, what happened? Sit down. Look here, I need to see all of. Raju is hiding and doing something. Teachers. Teachers.
Teachers, your wise knowledge. Let the man you want to learn.
These are the different tests of congruence.
It says
Sit down. Again, more of this. Okay. Avnish, stand up. Now start telling it. If anyone read from the book, you listen. Close.
It is not fine.
Just now only that you are quite well. Now you have started. Yeah. What do you mean by it? What do you mean by what is the SAS congruence?
Side angle side.
Very good. Side angle side. That is the way I said to learn. Is it the way I said to learn side angle side? What is the meaning? Aditi, tell. What do you mean by SAS congruence? Yes. Very good. Two sides and the included angle. Side angle side. No practice going on. SAS means what? Two triangles are congruent if two sides and the included angle of one triangle are equal to the two sides and the included angle of the other triangle or corresponding. Understood or not? Simply don't turn side angle side. Sit down. That part standard. What is SSS congruence? Three sides of one triangle are equal to the three sides of the other triangle. Sit down. Near standard. What is the ASA congruent? Two angles on one side. ASA.
Yes.
You studied ASA?
Yes, sir.
Two angles on the included side. Not any side. Two angles on the included side are equal to the two angles on the included side of the other side. AAS, Adiman. Sit down. One side. Don't tell non-equal. One side is there. Two angles on one side are equal to the two angles on the one side of the other triangle. Then the two triangles are congruent. Sit down. You are there in the last class. Where were you? Where? Okay. Now who is it? Daddy will not tell anything. He's hiding. You're hiding. Yes. Shraddha, you did not tell anything. Tell RHS. She will tell no. Don't do anything. RHS.
Sir.
Yes, RHS.
The right angle, hypotenuse and side.
Right angle, hypotenuse and side. So how do you tell? Two right triangles are congruent if the hypotenuse and the side of one triangle are equal to the hypotenuse and the side of the other triangle. Not right angle. Sit down. I did not ask anything. Standard. What is the meaning of altitude? That is standard.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Come here.
Yes.
Standard. Are you sure? What he did? Huh? Stand over there. And the it properly, okay? So, base to not perpendicular from the base to the opposite side. Perpendicular from a vertex to the opposite side. Okay. Not base to opposite side, which is base and opposite. Is perpendicular from the vertex to the opposite side, that is called the altitude. How many altitudes? Gurpreet standard. Come out from there.
Okay, sir.
Then take everything out. But when you are playing here. Bag, okay. Yes, this is permanent place, okay? Huh? Yeah. Yes, I will shift you to somewhere. Yeah. Now, yeah. So, how many altitudes can be drawn for a triangle? Do you know? Didi, so there are three altitudes can be drawn. Okay, almost one. So three altitudes can be drawn. They all meet at the common point. Dewey, what is the name of that point?
Sir.
So,
Sir, can
do you know? Orthocenter. We know about orthocenter. What is orthocenter? Middle point. What middle point? What is it? Maybe for only for one there. Maybe it's then I will punishment also including
Better.
Okay.
So can I set now?
Last thing, say.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
That's
Well, that's not it. Okay. Yeah. Listen, then what is median doing?
median is
Median is a median.
a median is a line which starts from point and
Oh, yeah. 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 Yeah.
and
Yeah. Line segment drawn from the midpoint of the opposite.
Ah,
Not next one
midpoint of the base.
or any sign.
What midpoint? Huh?
He said midpoint.
So what happened?
Midpoint is the hypotenuse.
Hey,
Right angle triangle. Right angle triangle.
What happened is, did you write this all in your notebook? Yes, it's for your mommy to read. So did you read? No time, sir. No. So, median is the line segment drawn from the vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. How many medians can be drawn? 3 medians. They all meet at the common point is called center. Okay, I can see that.
नहीं सर मैं पढ़ के
Ah, oh, ये पढ़ के है. That's why I wanted to do what you said.
सर वो हो जाता है
Right. Sit down. Okay, the centroid property also is written. Centroid divide the median into ratio 2:1, not 2.1. 2:1 ratio. 2:1. This much is written on the view. We wrote about altitude. You wrote about median. You know, right? Two more things, right? Angle bisector. Angle bisector. Do you know what is the meaning of angle bisector? Have you heard about angle bisector?
टॉपिक है
Yeah. What do you know what is angle bisector? Divide the angle into two equal parts. Bisector, okay. So if you want to write, it is a divide. The line which divides the angle into two equal parts. Line which divides the angle into two equal parts. The angle into two equal parts. And the line which divides the angle into two equal parts. Written?
Yes, sir.
Then below right. How many angle bisectors can be drawn?
3.
3. Right. In a triangle, we can draw 3 angle bisectors. In a triangle, we can draw 3 angle bisectors. Written?
Yes, sir.
Okay. They all meet at a common point. Like altitude, like median. They all meet at a common point. That point is called in center.
Center.
They all meet at a common point, and that point is called in center. Are you followed what is the meaning of in center? Listen. It's a triangle. If AD is the angle bisector, do you know what is the meaning of angle bisector?
And divide it
Which-
into equal.
Which are the two equal parts?
Angle A.
Huh? Angle BAD is equal to angle CAD. Then this way I can draw another angle bisector. These two angles are equal. And the third angle bisector should always come this way. So these two are equal. So you'll get these. Okay, they all meet at this point. That point is called in center. Okay, is it a median and angle bisector are same? No. If it is median means midpoint. Vertex to the midpoint. Okay, then it is centroid, it is coming. Follow the difference. Okay, now next is the fourth one, perpendicular bisector.
Topic.
Yes, perpendicular bisector. Have you heard about perpendicular bisector?
So, sir.
First time is happening.
Perpendicular.
Reverse the angle.
Perpendicular.
First time you people are hearing perpendicular bisector.
Yes, sir.
Oh, those who heard the perpendicular bisector, please raise a hand. Only 1%, 2%. You heard. Girls. Sir. Oh.
Sir, explosive.
Yeah, perpendicular bisector. Line segment, it is, look here. If you draw the perpendicular bisector, means there is a line which divide the segment AB into two equal parts and it is perpendicular. Have you followed? This line is called the perpendicular bisector. It's a line which is perpendicular to a side and bisects the side. Two words. What are the two sides? Perpendicular bisector. What is the meaning of perpendicular?
The line.
90 degree. What is the meaning of bisector? Equal parts. Are you followed? Okay, that is a perpendicular. So for a triangle, when you draw perpendicular bisector, how it is look like? Let's see. If this is a, if the triangle ABC, suppose if this is one, where is the middle? Let's say this is the middle point. At this point, what do you have to draw? Perpendicular. So if I draw perpendicular, look, it may not pass through this vertex. This is. Are you followed? Aryaman. So listen here. So this is a perpendicular bisector. This way I can draw another perpendicular bisector, third perpendicular. Are you following?
Yes, sir.
All these things, yes sir, when the test paper mark is not coming, sir. Sir, I say 2 mark, 3 mark out of 15. Yeah, that means 0 mark. No, understood? So perpendicular bisector means line, it is line which is perpendicular to a side and bisects the side. What do you mean by perpendicular bisector? The line which is right, the line which is perpendicular to a side and bisects the side. Perpendicular to a side and bisects the side. That the body following, but you are not responding anything. Line which is perpendicular to a side and bisects the side. Bisects the side.
Sir, done.
Written all of you?
Yes, sir.
Perpendicular to a side and bisects the side. Okay, below right, for a triangle. For a triangle, we can draw 3 perpendicular bisectors. For a triangle, we can draw how many perpendicular bisectors? 3 perpendicular bisectors. They all meet at a common point. In a triangle, we can draw 3 perpendicular bisectors. They all meet at the common point. The point is called circumcenter. CIR. They meet at a common point. The point is called circumcenter. Circumcenter. CIRCUMCENTRE. Learn also. Have you followed? Listen, here also one perpendicular bisector. This, that means these two are equal and this is equal to 90 degrees. Now it will be automatically this way. Okay, like that. That is called the perpendicular bisector. Followed. So we have studied 4 things. One is about the altitude. The meeting point is called the orthocenter. Next one we studied about median. The meeting point is called the third one we studied about the angle bisector. Meeting point is called the incenter. Fourth one we studied about the perpendicular bisector. Meeting point is called the circumcenter. All of them are different things. All of them are different things, not the same thing. Remember, These all words will come in the exam. Then you should know an incenter. What is incenter? What is circumcenter? What is immediately think. Okay now. Now there is one property below, right? For an equilateral triangle. You know what is an equilateral triangle? What is equilateral triangle? All sides and all angles are equal. No? For an equilateral triangle, altitude, comma median, comma angle bisector,
For an
equilateral triangle, altitude, median, comma angle bisector, comma perpendicular bisector, altitude, median, angle bisector, perpendicular bisector are same. Are same.
Sir, done.
Written?
Yes,
Look
sir.
here.
The right is already pizza.
Look. Can you identify anything in this figure? In this triangle? Tell, those who know, raise your hand. Which is perpendicular bisector? Yeah, it is the perpendicular bisector. Then what is AE? What is AE is altitude? AE is the midpoint now. Then AE is the median. Okay, this is 90 degree means AD is the altitude. And see these two angles are equal. AF is the angle bisector. Are you followed? Why drawn this one means to identify. If we draw an equilateral triangle, what is the meaning of equilateral triangle? All sides equal and all angles are equal to how much? 1 degree. All angles are equal to 180 degrees. All angles are equal to 60 degrees. He was waiting for this. Keep sum of the angles is 180. That is all triangles now. Here also sum is 180 everywhere. But if it is an equilateral triangle, this is 60, this is 60, this is 60. Understood? Everything will be any type of triangle, sum is equal to how much? 180. That is all the triangle. But in equilateral triangle, all the angles are equal to 60, 60. Now, if this is an equilateral triangle, listen all of you. If I draw altitude, then this will be same as the median. This will be same as the angle bisector. That means this will be same as the perpendicular bisector. Are you followed? In an equilateral triangle, all of them are the same thing. This property you have to, how will we prove? We can prove these two triangles congruent and all. Sometimes question come in the exam. That we will discuss. Yes, correct. Okay, very good. Now, that way you can get it. So, if altitude, median and all these are, then your orthocenter, centroid, incenter and circumcenter are same points for where equilateral triangle. Are you followed? Below one more line, right? Therefore, it is for equilateral triangle only, okay? Therefore, orthocenter, centroid, incenter, circumcenter are same points. Same point. It is for which one? Same point. Equilateral triangle, not for everything. It is for equilateral triangle. Okay, understood. Now, one more time. I am telling this one. I will not explain it again. When the question comes median, I should know what the median. Angle bisector means the divided angle. Okay, understood or not? Have you heard about the word congruent? Congruent triangle, AB congruent. Is it a line segment congruent? All of you. Have you heard about this word? Concurrent. Have you heard of concurrent? Anyone?
Once. I just got that.
Concurrent means this way. Look, if I take this on AB, AD, AF, AE, AC, they have a common. All of them are passing through. All of them are passing through A. Therefore, these lines are called concurrent lines. 3 or more lines passing through a common point. This way. You're wrong. These lines are called concurrent lines. This point is called point of concurrence. Okay, concurrent line. Concurrent line means what? The lines passing through a single point. And point is called point of concurrence. Generally, nowadays it's very lessly used. I did give anywhere it is coming. Okay, this only. Now, we have to prove ASA. I need to give the proof. Before that, let's do the exercise.
So
Well,
I got doubt.
what is the doubt?
Second,
Perpendicular bisector. What is the meaning of perpendicular? Construction also you must have done. Perpendicular bisector means like here. It's a line segment. If I draw a perpendicular, not a perpendicular we can do. The one which passed through the midpoint. This is called the perpendicular bisector. Whenever you hear, it's very important to remember what is the meaning of perpendicular bisector? The one which divides into two equal parts and perpendicular. Means if they ask you to prove that L is the perpendicular bisector of AB, what all things you have to prove? You have to prove AC is equal to CB and L is perpendicular to you. Understood or not? Now, in a triangle, when you draw, how do you draw the perpendicular bisector? Take the midpoint. Where is the midpoint? Okay, here is the midpoint. This point, perpendicular. Okay. In equilateral triangle, it will be at the middle point and the it will pass through the vertex. Are you followed? Anything else? Any others having a problem?
No,
No.
sir.
Now, we are going to do the exercise looking at geometry. Think and do it. Geometry, you will see quite a lot of places less steps. And marks are more. But that steps writing is very important. Quite a lot of time you cannot identify. You see, you think and you have to see congruence and all. Now, read the first question. Exercise 7.1. Taken 7.1, all of you. Page number 91. Now, did you read the question?
quadrilateral ABC.
You know what is the meaning of quadrilateral? 4 seconds.
It would be equal to AD and AB bisect angle.
Who is talking there?
Show that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABD. What can you say about BC and BD?
This is a quadrilateral. AC is equal to AD. And what is given? AB bisects angle A. What you have to prove? What two triangles are congruent? Triangle ABC or ACB.
ABC.
ABC congruent to triangle ABD. Look all of you here. Listen carefully, all of you. Everyone, stop writing and listen. Figure is given in the question paper, means no need to draw the figure and all. Even in our construction. Look, when you look at triangle ABC, how will you look? ABC, not this much. ABC, pull this way, you have to see. What is ABD means? This way. Then only you'll get the idea. Which are the two triangles? See? One triangle is this one. Second triangle is this one. Now, now congruence to see. How to get this one means you can just compare AB and AB. Yes, it is a common thing. AC and AD. See, first and third means first and third. Now you can see AC and AD equal is given. Next, BC and BD, nothing is given, so you don't need to take. So you listen first. After proving only CPCT comes now. No. We did prove congruent? No. So we got two things. Now third one. Now we go for the angle A. Angle A and angle A. Check what is angle A. Angle A is this one is the angle A of the first triangle. And this is the angle A of the second triangle. If you don't know means you check BAC, BAD, see? BAC, BAD. Are they equal? Why it is equal? It is given it is bisecting angle A. What is the meaning of bisecting angle A? Divides into two equal parts. All of you followed me. How did you get three conditions? So what are the three conditions you write? In how will you write the solution means? You write in triangle AB. Huh?
In square ABC.
Square no, triangle na. We are proving what you have to prove. Read the question.
You square this coordinate
Nothing over. Now what you have to prove is we show that. Show that. So triangle here. Understood or not? Triangle ABC and triangle ABD. AB is equal to AB. Reason common. Okay. Then next AC is equal to AD. Reason given. Next angle BAC is equal to angle BAD. Reason AB is the angle bisector of angle A. Written all of you? Neha wrote. Thank you. Do you following? You knew it. Smart girl. But home, what do you do? Sleeping only? You have not practiced very much. What did you do? Extra? What is extra curricular? Dance, full time dance. How many days do you go for dance? How long you go for dance? In a day, how many hours? Every day. Night also you're dancing, dance practice also at home.
But I was very tired.
Oh baby. Okay. Look, now after that, look here. How to identify congruence? How many sides we have taken? Two sides. How many angles are taken? One angle. Two sides and one angle means either it is SAS or maybe it is RHS also. In RHS also two sides and one angle. But if it is RHS means 90 degree. Now you can see is it SAS or not.
There's AB and in both there's AB in common.
What's the first thing? Okay, so it is two sides and the included angle. See, ABAC included angle. AB included angle. Therefore, you write triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABD by which test? SAS. SAS congruence test. SAS test, SAS congruence. Okay, written. Next, after this one. Now what we need to prove? BC and BD. You can see from here. BC, which are two letters, second and third. Check the second and third. Same. So BC. Therefore, BC is equal to BD. What is the reason in that? CBCD. You know what is the meaning of CBCD? Corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Hope you have followed. You have to practice. Naman. Shreya following. Shreya, are you there? Following. Sleeping, Shreya. Pandey. Pandey is talking too much. Yeah. My friend and my back. This is it. Yeah. Okay. Follow. Now let's one by one. Radhi, next question, read and explain.
ABCD is a quadrilateral and AD is equal to BC. and angle DAB is equal to angle CBA. Prove that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle BAC. BD is equal to AC. Angle ABD is equal to angle BAC.
If there is given in the question or there is found in also, I just don't only, yes, you have to explain my friend Rajiv. A, B, C, D. B, C, D. Something, these two angles, I think it's given equal now.
The AB is one.
Okay, but Rajiv, what you have to prove?
The three things you have to prove.
First, what is going to prove?
Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle.
Triangle ABC is congruent to
Yes.
BAD now.
B, you know, BAC.
ABC
Sir,
is
ABD
congruent to
BAC.
AB is congruent to triangle.
Triangle ABD is congruent to triangle BAC. Same triangle. Yes, Rajiv tell.
ABCD is a coordinate.
ABCD is a quadrilateral. Congruence proving. AB, my dear, three conditions you should get. Up to three sides, angle. That is great. Quadrilateral is not the condition.
Angle DAB is equal to angle CBA.
That you can read. You read it. First of all, why it is not, look here. Which are the two triangles? Triangle ABD.
Triangle B is
Then triangle BAC. Like that you have to see. You can see here, look at over here. ABBA. Same thing only now. So therefore BD.
no.
What is it? AB is equal to BA common. Are you followed?
Yes, sir.
Then again anything else? A and D. See, A and D and B and C. Are they equal? No response.
Sir, give
AD is equal to
BC
BC.
given.
Even two things you got or not? Now, third one.
triangle
B
AB.
angle.
Triangle, angle
So
B.
then side is not there. So you can take triangle BAD.
Angle, no?
Angle na? Sorry. Angle BAD is equal to angle. Is equal to what? BAC. ABC na?
Nahi back.
Pandey.
Angle.
Let's mark up, then I will tell mummy. He is telling all these above bad. Is it given in the question? Yes or no? And read the question now. Huh? What is given? What angles are given? Read the question. Is it given this way?
Angle DAB is equal to.
Okay, angle DAB, right? Angle DAB is equal to what? Is equal to hero. Huh?
Angle CBA.
So right, CBA. Happy now? That is given. Both are same thing only. Okay, you eat same thing only. This baby will feel happy, that's why.
Very.
Baba, listen. Okay, so now see how many sides are there? So here what happened? Well, how many sides are there? Two pair of sides and with one angle. Look. This. You can see AB. So included is this side. So which test? SAS only now. Therefore, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle BAC by SAS. Pandey is very happy. We are 13 years only. Think that is lucky.
Sir, 14 years.
Another 14. Another 14 years.
Sir,
Yes. Okay. Pandey. When mommy comes, I will. Huh?
Sir, I can't.
Yes, congruent. Okay. So written.
Yes, sir.
Okay. He started now dancing now. So then, so this is the first part. What is the second part you need?
BD is equal to AC.
Check BD equal to AC, are you getting?
Yes,
Sir.
Oh, listen, very good. BD, look at over there. BD,
CPCT.
मैंने बोला
both of you write in the book.
उन्होंने ऐसा बोला है।
मैंने पहले
Where did you write?
किधर शुरू करूं?
सर मैंने बोला सर
Write it fast.
BD is equal
अंकल
to
एबी फर्स्ट अंकल बीएससी
Written? Okay, what is the third one?
angle ABD is equals to angle BSC that is
How did you get CBCT?
इसमें से
Check, simply don't write the CBCT. Is it so? You are in check from here. Hey, look here. Angle CBAD. BAD.
सर
BD.
Yes. So if you read ABD, ABD, BAC. That order here is check. So angle ABD is equal to angle BAC. That also reason is CPCT. Now, one more thing remember, when you writing the congruence, it should be in the proper order. Check AB and BA. Yes, AB and BA.
सर
AD.
1 2
AD, 1, 2, 3, same form. AD, first and third. It should be first and third BC. That order, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, same letter. Okay, and everything taking in the same form only. Now, here if you want to write angle, you can write, instead of DAB, I can write BAD. Or instead of ABC, I can write ABC. Okay, all these things you can write. But the side, and again side, instead of AD, if you want to write DA also you can write, that's no problem.
but then it should be CG
No, side you can write both same. Okay, if you write DA is equal to BC, no problem. Now, look here, again, this is which one? SAS test. Side, angle, side. There is not required, first you will write side, then angle, then side, any three. Yeah, I wrote two sides and one angle, or one angle and two sides, any order you can write. These
सर
conditions.
AS
Huh?
yes
ASM means where are the two angles?
that angle
Which angle? Name.
angle DAB is angle
Angle DAB. DAB you wrote down. DAB and
given so
that is one, which is second angle. ASM means there are two pair of angles should be there, na? Only one pair only got now. Understood? If it is said, suppose if it was given this way, triangle ABD, no? Suppose if it was given this way. Now you can apply this. But you have to see what is given, or can you make it equal or something, that problem. Okay now. Srinidhi, are you following? Sure. When is your exam starting? 24. After when mark comes means, you know, should be good marks, full mark. Full mark means okay.
भरत क्या कर रहा है
Why is it every time you
सर कौन है भरत
yeah, listen, written on third question. Srinidhi, read the third question, explain.
AB and BC are equal perpendiculars for line segment AB. See figure show that CD bisects AB.
What do you have to prove?
CD bisects.
What is the meaning? What is the meaning? What do you have to prove? That is not enough. That what you tell me. Keep quiet and tell what we need to prove. Then I did not ask what is which bond.
CD bisects.
What is it the meaning of CD bisects?
Sir, it divided by
What is equal to what you have to prove? Bisect. So
Sir,
divided.
AB is equal to
So that
AO
means.
is equal to
So
AO is equal to
first of all, you people decide what you have to.
Sir, AO is equal to
triangle.
क्या बोल रहा है?
Boa.
Hey, hello, I don't need it. Ariman. Now you are going beyond all the people, okay? Yes, what do you have to prove? Trinity, My dear child, CD bisects AB means what you have to prove.
CD divides AB into 2 equal
So what are the two equal parts? What are the two equal parts? Name.
B and
So we need to prove that AO is equal to BO. Understood or not? Why means you have to understand, is it DO is equal to CO? Or is it AO is equal to CO? What do we need to prove? AO is equal to CO. If you prove AO is equal to CO, then you write therefore CD bisects AB. Okay, how do you prove? Can you prove these two triangles congruent? If so, what are the two triangles? Srinidhi, tell which are two triangles. Triangle AOD. Okay, triangle AOD and okay, AOD means what? BOC. Yes or no? As tell how do you prove? Srinidhi.
First, both are having right angle by RHS.
Why right? Wherever right angle does not mean that it is RHS. You tell the equal, automatically it will come. Which two?
Side B.
So BC is so these AD means AD first, right? AD is equal to BC. Reason given. Then what else? Angle A. Angle A. If you want to take angle, okay, angle A also you can write. Angle A is equal to angle B. Reason. Each 90 degree or 90 degree each. Then, so two things you got. Then,
Angle AOD is equal to angle BOC.
very good.
Different.
Hello.
Different.
Everything. Angle AOD. Angle AOD is equal to angle BOC. Vertically opposite angles. Are you seeing now?
Yes.
Now check how many angles are there. How many pair of angles? Two. How many sides? One. So if two angles and one means it can be either AS or ASA. Check is it AS or ASA. Which are the two pairs? This one and this one. Included means AO. No. AAS. This means it is not in this is and this is the side you have taken now. 1, 2, and this is the one. So it is not ASA, it is AAS. Identify. That is very important. Triangle AOD is congruent to triangle BOC by AAS. If you write ASA, the teacher may cut the mark. Are you followed? You are finding book spoke and only you are studying. No, that is why. Now look, first one angle A, then angle AOC. If it is included, means this is the one. Did you prove this one equal? No, you proved this equal. So two angles and one side, which does okay. Oh, sure. Therefore, that is one. That is not enough. From here, you will get AO is equal to BO. Reason CPCD. Therefore, CD bisects AB. Bisects AB. This is the way to write the step. Seriously and clearly do it. Use your brain, think and do it. There are another way. First, if it is completed, another way you can prove. Completed writing? Aryaman, painting and sitting? Everywhere something extra is there. What happened? Ajay, see. Okay, then look here. Tell me what is angle A and angle C? Which type of angles?
Sir, क्या?
Angle A and angle C.
Here and was
Angle A and angle B.
co-interior.
Angle A and angle B. Alternate interior angles. Are these two angles are equal?
Yes.
If the angles are equal, what you can tell? The lines are parallel. Therefore, you can prove these two angles also equal. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Sometimes we have to use. That's why I'm showing this one. If A and B are which type of angles? Alternate interior angles. Therefore, AD is parallel to BC. Shraddha didn't check out the way. Okay, no? Okay. No, it's already studied. So these all things are partly you have studied in previous classes. So they are parallel, therefore these two angles are equal. Means one question, it is not one way to prove. There are various ways. Okay, now even if sometimes they must prove that CO is equal to DO. See, OD is equal to OCCP. Or in the same question, you can prove another way they can ask. Prove that AB and CD bisect each other. AD and BC bisect each other means AO is equal to BO, DO is equal to CO. Bisect each other, both are equal. Okay, so think Avnish is not seriously listening on here. You will do something. And the making noise and all something, parking comments and all. Who made that painting? Seriously listen. It's not that half mind over here, you will not learn. Is it the Aditi? So listening now. So you will explain the next question. That's it, Aditi's question. Everyone read the next question.
L and M are two parallel lines intersected by another pair of parallel lines P and C. Show that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle CBSE.
So L and M are two parallel lines intersected by two other parallel lines. To get the answers, you people are having fun only.
उनको गाया
What happened? What happened?
करेला पीछे से
Aditi, okay. She said no. Why are you shouting at her? Huh?
Third time, right?
Ajay, every time doing. Yeah. Yes. What are the two triangles here to prove congruence?
Triangle ABC
Triangle ABC and
CDC.
triangle ADC or CDA? CDA. But its order here to take down. Okay. Now look at the triangles. In triangle ABC and L, yes, who will explain?
Sir, and sir, AC is equal to AC.
AC is equal to AC, that is common. Okay, then.
Sir, AB and D.
Sir, AD is equal to BC because L and M are parallel.
So parallel means equal.
AD is equal to BC.
Angle BS equal to AC.
Reason.
Interior.
Which lines are parallel?
P and
Very good. Look here. These two lines are parallel. Therefore, the alternate interior angles are equal. So we will write what she said is angle BAC is equal to angle ACD. Reason you will write alternate interior angles and P parallel to Q. Lines P parallel to Q. Avnish, answers has to come from you. You are not giving answers. Next. So second condition. One more condition.
and
This girl is looking here and there only.
triangle
One.
BCA is forming a parallel. Will it be the opposite sides?
First if this, let's finish. After that we talk. Okay, then. Again, another pair. Angle BCA is equal to angle DAC or CAD. Same alternate interior angles, and this time which is parallel to what? The alternate interior angles. L is parallel to M. So you get the three conditions you got. How many sides? One side. This is common. See, number of steps are very less. And this one. Or in the beginning you write P parallel to Q, L parallel to M. Then write alternate. This one. So how many pair of angles? Two angles and one side. Is it ASA or AAS?
ASA. Yes.
He says ASA, you said AAS. Let's see who is correct. Look, this angle and this angle equal.
Yes.
And this angle and this angle equal. This is side. So two pair. It is ASA.
Yes.
ASA. Patna.
Look, one. Second side is this one now. Common. Mine not by but don't worry, you will learn. Okay. Therefore, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle CDA by ASA. Here you tell mistake, no problem. But in the exam, it should not happen. You will learn from the mistake. That's why. ASA congruence. Are you followed? That only you have to prove.
Yes, sir.
Now, yes, this completed. Yes, Judy wanted to tell something now.
It's forming a parallel, and that's why those opposite sides will.
You can do it by forming a parallelogram. First you prove it's a parallelogram, then opposite sides equal. Packing and going out. Now, look here. We have done an important property here. This question can come different way. You know what is the different way? In a parallelogram, diagonal divide the parallelogram into two congruent triangles. Sometimes the question will come back with this way. In a proof that in a parallelogram, diagonal divides into two congruent triangles. Prove this one. Same thing. No need to draw this much, only ABCD and draw this much. Same proof we can write. Okay. Understood or not? So why I'm telling this one means when the question comes in the exam, you should know what is come. Most of the geometry questions, what I need to prove doesn't know. If someone will prove this one means you will come to it. So practice questions you have to do it. You know, yes.
How do we differentiate
Okay, and this one now, suppose I did this way. If it are these two and these are this equal.
This is coming between that.
That is why in between, that is why it's ASA. If it is not between, it is coming as John. Okay. Understood? Pariman, where are you running? And go stand over there and you shout over there. Huh? Tomorrow what exam?
SCPH नहीं ना बोला मैथ्स का